Good morning! Hinatutungtog, bawit tag energy gabi. And right now, I'm going to have some breakfast. Since doon ang spotted pig dire sa Happiness Hostel. So, ato lang siyang lakbon gamay and ato mag-breakfast. This is my outfit for today. Green kaita, karong adlaw. So, green and then black. Okay guys, so money siya ang road in the morning. This is Tourism Road. Ang food truck, the famous food truck. Lamit po na diha. Money lang Happiness Beach. That goes all the way to GL. Dito ba dong ang Cloud9? So we're now here in Spotted Pig and akong i-order is Eggs Benedict and ang ilang special na Spanish latte. So let's go ahead and eat. Excited ko kay lamig. Okay, so we're back here in the Tourism Road. Gikan ko na withdraw of money. Daghang nakay ko gistapan na ATM kay nakugdan og mga cash. Ubay-ubay akong ATM na atuan, but I finally found one. Ka-withdraw taon ta. And karon padung ta sa Coco Frio because that's one of the recommended coffee shops. There is sa Siargao, so let's go and try it. Hey, good morning.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing fine. How about you?
Good.
Yeah, so try lang coffee. Alright, so just done going to Coco Frio. Akong gitry lang bestseller and lami siya. Actually lang worth the hype and affordable siya. I think it's around 190 pesos. So barato siya and lami. And I was able to chat to one of the tourists which is from Australia. It's really nice sa Siargao kay kalaila jud kag different type of people and chikadora kay sila tanan. And which is a good thing. So karon naglakaw-lakaw ko kay nabusog bitaw jud ko sa akong giinom. Ako gutuma but it's already lunch time. Ambot lang ko asa ko makakaon karon but let's see kung asa tagutomon kay as of now nagpalanay pa ta sa tuang gipang kaon. In fairness ha, layo na kay kung nalakwan but yeah, busog pa ko so I hope gutom mo din ko taod-taod kay para makakaon na ta. Okay. Bye. So now tayo dito sa Happiness Resto Bar and I'm having a mocktail and this is the sparkling pineapple which is Gay recommends the barista. So right now in my back there's the pool, the indoor pool. After this I'll go to the Happiness Beach kaya ito malikog pool and maybe have another mocktail. So yes! Let's go! Hello, good afternoon. Manat og inom og mocktails dito sa bar. Now on our way to Happiness Beach which is at Bangra sa Happiness Hostel para maligo ta og pool. Gamiton na to atong privilege na makaligo sa pool and my things and nakapag-book na pud ko for Firefly watching later. So that would be 6 PM and I have to be there an hour or 30 minutes dito before mag-start. I'm here na sa pool. Maligo ta. Okay, hello. We're now here at Happiness Beach. So, napamay naglangoy-langoy dito ng tourist sa swimming pool. And dito na lang kumulangoy. Just in case nakanamuhawa na sila. If di man jugay ko ka-antos, maybe mo join na lang ko nila. But karon ni order ko butter cookie, choco butter cookie. Isa lang, kaya di nyo na makurot sayang. And then mixed fruit, which is shake mixed fruit. So, pwede rin ako tambay sa ilahang mga one para nani na chair ba? Anak na chair, ana. So, muna siya kung lugar dere. This is my spot. So, muna siya ang view ninyo. But look at my view here. Wala akong view today. And manto siya ang pool dito ng dapita. Kari siya dapita kara. Ipagkitang ka ng better view sa kung so, mga siya ang spot. That's it. Okay, malikot. Okay. Kibahan ako sa pangano. Bean bag. So, mga siya ang bean bag. Ang aming lingkuran dere. Okay, this is my drink. Mixed fruit shake. Ayaw niya. Kita ko mga dogs there eh. Kaya. Kakita niya sa camera na ako, nahadlok siya. So, ano siya, layo na siya. Kita na dog. Come here. Come here. Hey. Hindi sila maduol ba sa na camera? Camera siya yung mga doggies. Madlok sila na ako. Abi, ito na ang tubig. Oh my God. Kayo manatagligo sa pool. So nakapahimos rata sa atong privilege din sa Happiness Beach. And padong na ko manghinaw-naw niya ilis kay taon mo ato natag Secret Beach kay mag firefly kwanta firefly watching. Okay, so nanata diri sa Secret Beach and timing sunset tan-awa. Look at it. Isn't that nice? Wow. Hindi tao eh. So we're here now sa Secret Beach. Sekreto jud siya. Na siya mo nagpatago na gianan. Good timing kay nindot kayo ang sunset. Paabot na ta ni Kuya kay 6 mag-start ang firefly watching. The beach is so nice. Pangitaon sa nato si Kuya kung asa siya ron nagpaabot. Excited ko makitagdag ng fireflies today or tonight dahil. Abot lang kung maklaro pa ba, pero meron siya kung ebidensya na ako sa secret beach. There. I'm here. So, nag-waiting na lang me para sa firefly watching. So, apparently, mo join ko group. Paabot na lang ta. May na lang na kay kauling-uling lingkurana. So, yes. Hapit na magsugod. Nakangit oroy. Wait lang.
Ilaw ng sun. Buntag siguro, sir.
Sa buntag si Kuya nagpugsan. Siya nga mo ang guide.
Ano man ang purpose ng ano ng
sa loud.
Gingon nila, sir, murag limpyo daw ang pandiri. Nalilinis yung tubig.
Siya.
Iwang
sa left side. Merry Christmas. Christmas, guys. Galaw rin. Panagsara mi dire. Oh. Wow. Ang cute nila. Wow. Ang lupad mo ra. Yan man eh. Bye-bye. Firefly na ha? Firefly na.
Marami na yun. Oo, yung pinakamarami natin kasi doon tayo.
Bye.
Dito na tayo
Thank you
sa
for the experience.
para makita mo yung mga firefly. Kasi may buwan, maliwanag.
And for Team Butterfly,
Wow. Good morning! It's my 6th day here in Siargao and karon I'm back in Coco Frio. Ibalik na ko order ang ilahang coconut coffee freeze. Like, wala siya akong i-order kahapon and na-medyo kayo siya so ako siyang ibalikan. Good thing kay gamay ang tao. Solo na ko dili ang tubangan. So, wala siya. And after this, kaon din taog breakfast and then mamalit tag souvenir. Ay, matatamu uli. Diba mo na ang outfit? May siyang outfit natin today and let's eat. Okay, so humanatag inam og coffee sa Coco Frio. Like, sulit adik ko sa ilahang coffee, coconut freeze nila. And right now, anita mo kaon sa Corvada. Diya na mag-lunch, kailangan po dyan ng food and sulit kaayo. Okay, so let's go. Mga anak kay gutom na. And ang monggo. So muna ito ang breakfast guys. So usa ka munggo, usa ka siyang hanya, half rice na siya. So kapag siyang order na ito, para nakadaghan na, kaya nabusog sa Coco Frio na coconut freeze, which is sa UPI. Dapat ikaon na lang. Kaya tadaan, before tani inom. Dapat kahit mo dyan, oo, unahon mo dyan ang ganahan. But yeah, let's go ahead and eat. Hello guys, good afternoon. So niuli ko ganina kay nag-ilis ko og shirt kay murag alimuot bitaw to siya na shirt. So nag-ilis ta og crop top na pod. Kari para ayahay and then met with friends, have some lunch. So since nikaon na kog lunch, nag-coffee na lang ko sa Big Mama's. Akong gi-take out then just had a conversation with my new friends, Lara, Paul, and Maxine, which is my roommate. So karon padong nata mangita og souvenir shops kay mamalit ta kay bago ko nag-withdraw para natay kada sa balay. So ano to siya? Done. So a few more then let's go home now. Okay, so we're done buying some of these souvenirs and a few more then we're all set. We're free. I'm back here sa Happiness Hostel and hilunat na dyan nakapahimutang nata. Time for me to chill kay marag nahagard ko kadihot sa pagpangita og souvenirs. Ano to siya? Siya. Okay, sumadan yung outfit na to while naglaro-laro sa Siargao. Hello. Grabe, itong juday ko. Hello, tan skin. Okay, we're back here, round 2. I hope dili siya close kay marag upan ako mo uli, wapong kitas mga ero. Aras sila. There, naras sila diha. Excited ko makamit sa dogs. Okay, so yes, they're open but still mag-open pa sila in 3 PM. Dapat tayo mga 30 minutes para maglaro-laro diri sa Cloud9. Kaya ang Isla Corgi, doon na siya sa Cloud9. Muna siyang Cloud9, then just turn right. Wala na siya. All the way through Cloud9 na siya, but you still have to pay for the entrance of 100 pesos. So while waiting for Isla Corgi to open, tambay-tambay sa tadiri, watch the waves, the trees, kay murag ug manata mo uli, yan nakakakitaan ni Permi. Okay, let's go.
When I fall asleep, yeah, I need you.
Cloud9.
Leave me by my side. All I know now, I need you with me by my side.
Okay, so nakamanatag sursuri sa Cloud9. So since it's past 3 PM na, let's go meet the corgis. Okay, retreat na pod. Sarado sila the whole day. Nag-ingon nila, my God, this is the second time already and wag dyan pa po kita sa corgis. Gina, ingon sila na 3 PM pa mag-open, kigi-prepare or nag-siesta pa ang Corgis. But na, pagbalik na ko, close yun dahil sila the whole day. So, amot lang. Asa ka ako ron. Marad. Tapos nagbaktas. Okay guys, so nabalik ko sa... This is my drink. Kombucha. It's a mocktail. So, wala na siya alcohol. Sa may bibo ron dito. Sa paan ron? Palibot. Ah, okay. Magkasama na. 5 band. Ah, okay. Mama na yung schedule na, dire?
Oo, yung Saturday.
Okay.
Sabado na ay harana.
Sayang, wala ko na.
Ay, Saturday.
Try, umpa.
Ay, umpa.
Ulit na ko.
Nag-asali ka, sir?
Cebu.
Ay, Cebu ka? Nag-asali ka, Cebu?
Cebu ba ka?
Nag-asali ko.
Hala, Sinapo Pereta. Ako nakaila-ilaw si ate from Tabuela.
Hello!
So, nadi ko sa bar. Nag-chill.
Chiller kay Diri.
Alam ko na ang 1 week kay taas ka ayo. Hindi ay mo yun.
Dali ka kay Diri.
Dali, hindi kay 1 week.
Pahinga makadali.
Oo. Dali rin
Ano
siya.
doon kaayo ang 1 week siya.
Hindi naman kayo ang vibe ko dire.
Ang mga tao Diri. Anak.
Boy pake.
Uy, paki anak. Anak. Sa kaliha, uy, paki anak may. Uy, anay Diri. Corvada again. And I met a new friend. It's Jeannie from Bohol. Ayan, nandito na kami sa Corvada and we'll eat supamangko bag. I think mag-pasta lang gulo ko. Okay, so muna akong kaang karon which is ang pasta and ang shrimp. Shrimp is 80, ang pasta is 70. So, muna siya. Doggy. Dogo. Hello, cute niya. Cute. Hello. Okay, so na have a free taste during the fiesta. Mapawan namin ang aos kurbadaan. Kaya kami din free taste rin dapita awa. Ang so kadaghan nila ang free taste. O diba? Tipid pa unta ni. Okay, dili na punta. Ay! Sorry ma'am. Busog na mo. Di mo kakuan sa free taste. Really prepare sa fiesta. Diba? So namig pa nga sa Corvada, nakabayad po itong souvenir and another bag. So karon, nagsisuro niya lang me. And tanaw kung asa may padung, but dali nga may dito sa mga free taste. Kapit na ang pista, oit, 21-22. Okay na po ma'am. September 20. Karon it's already almost 1 na. Gusto ko feeling. Like, I feel sad kay mo ulit na. Kulang pa jud siya. Kulang pa ang adlaw. Nindot kaya akong experience. Kulang man jud ang mga tours. Except for the land tour ka na buhat man tanan. But the island tours I expect to go but maybe next time. So karon na to mi ang bar each day la ilahay o kuan kala schedule ang ilahang party. Wala na ilugay. So once mag-close ang usa or mahuman ang usa, ang paglabas las pikas. So tanan diri sa Siargao Island, magkita ay ra jud mo bisag asa. Small place jud ang Siargao para di mo magkitag balik. And then karon aligri ka ite. Kung human na mo og party kay naon may gutom si Maxine. Ako okay lang, carry lang. So ang plan is noodles na lang, kang cup noodles. So pag man ana nahuman si Maxine, ako na po kinapaabot mong usap ko ang noodles ng luto kay giinit man. Pag man ana is kanang nakauna ko na may kaayo hang kayo ang noodles na medyo kaya siya la ako siyang feel dyan na akong kaon. Pag man na ay duha ka si like cute kayo sila na chaotic ba like abot lang basta na-shock jud ko nila duha kay karagaring naman kasi nalamig kaya akong kaon sa ako noodles kalit ko niya kuha bitaw niya ana dyan niyang tinidugi ana dyan tinidug kaon niya saan ko niya na-shock kay wa dyan may kailan nila yung ilan nila nakighay na sila nakihalubilo sila of course nakig-ila sila but before na nagibuhat is nagtupad sila kalit hi how are you doing ana niya okay labi na kung kail siyang Maxine but totally like what you make ilan nila so na-shock lang dyan mina yung kalit uwa kong noodles pero nagila-ila may friends namin sa Instagram so okay na but na-shock lang dyan ko nilang duha kay kihuptik kasi silang duha as in yan to think silang duha abi na mag amigo silang amiga kaya mo na magsuod kaayo pagkaibaw na mo na strangers po din sila aturo po sila sa karinderiya nagkaila wala na shock silang duha ako nagtanaw sa akong noodles lang nga na lang ko pero okay na kay marag highlight to siya sa ako ang last night diri kasi sa enjoy ko mas nito-touch tungod nilang duha nag-enjoy ra jud ko in fairness lang it's a night to remember it's the last night to remember here sa Siargao paway na chill sa diri and then prepare ko for sleep kay isa ipataog though 11 man check up but inot nang setag mata para napatay whole day para mo chill and relax lang. You're the last person to leave?
Yeah. So all my friends, parang lamig, because I'm a solo traveler. You didn't say no.
Take a video
Video.
Have you gone on a tour already or not yet?
Here?
Yeah.
I did like an island hopping.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yesterday I did that one.
Oh, perfect. Because in the previous days, the tours got cancelled because of the weather.
Yeah. I mean, the weather wasn't like amazing yesterday, but
It's still beautiful though.
Yeah, it was still really nice.
I had to try island hopping last Sunday.
Yeah.
The weather was not good, but we still pushed through. We went only for 2 islands, Guyam and Daku.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and then when we were trying to go to Naked Island, the waves are too big. We have to turn around and go back to the mainland. I was too nervous for that. Not nervous because I can't swim. I was too nervous for my cameras.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I have to save them before I save mine.
That's what happened to you.
And I bought like a water bag that doesn't fit all of them.
Oh, so you have to choose a favorite.
Yeah. It's either I choose my life or my camera's life.
I just...
much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing
mga best. Itong na din sa way car. Okay, so last minute swim sa karon kay we're about to leave. 4 PM akong biyahe today. Going back to Cebu and then 1:30 to 2 PM pick up the van. And I only have a few minutes para mag-swimming. But struggle siya. Itugnaw kaayo ang tubig. Kaya kong plastic sa canvas para sa basa. Pero hey, it's a privilege. I have to swim. I met 2 more people here just from South Korea. I don't know their names, but they're very nice. I'll try to really swim. Let's go. Hey, meet my friend, Hanuk, right? Hanuk from Israel. So today's gonna be my last day. I'm going home. 4 PM and then 1:30 to 2 PM is the pick up by the bus. Well, 1:30 to 2 PM, that's the pick up time for the van. I only have a few minutes. And last minute, getting difficult for you because it's too cold. I cannot really swim that well and you're cold.
You just need to jump.
Okay, I'll take I trust you. I should do it slowly.
Jump. It's harder to slow.
So how long are you going to take?
Until 27.
Still have plenty of time. What are your plans the next few days?
We are grouping of surf. Like every morning we surfing.
It was my first time when I got Pacifico. That's the best place to surf. I haven't really tried Cloud9. It's the nearest. But that's the one place I haven't tried surfing.
They take us to secret places.
Really?
Yeah.
I really this time.
We need to go together. So good. We are going now to lake.
Yeah.
Like in 5 minutes.
Oh well, thank you for accompanying me here.
Yeah, I just came because you were living.
Ah, that's so nice of you.
Where you from this?
I don't know, I was trying to contact her because we going to have like a farewell lunch, but we hasn't replied yet.
Maybe she's sleeping.
That's it. You look like someone the left. Glenn Powell. The one in Top Gun, the coding is hanging on. Or the one in Twister, too.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Show me.
I will show you. Yeah, sama ha. Hey guys, so yeah, that was my friend Hanuk from Israel and Butang Asia kay nasa na yung lakaw but ipagbigyan ko niya na mag-streaming dire na tuyugan ko niya kay it is my last day. So yeah, friendly Asia and hindi ko si Batasan, promise. I just appreciate na tuyugan ko niya bisag a few minutes kay mulakaw na ko pa dong and yeah, I just met a friend from Israel. So yeah, nagkanakitag friendship all over the world. Ito na i-finish ang itong paglamoy kay happy na tamo ulit. natanong sa Spotted Pig. Wait na lang po sa aking van, which is gonna be in a few minutes na. And it's time to go. So while waiting, mag-coffee sa daan. Again, second coffee of the day. So chill na lang while looking at things here. It's gonna be a while na makita ko ng balik, or it's gonna be a while na makabalik ka dire sa Siargao. So far, it's been the best island ever. Sad to go. Yeah, this is how it is. This is how vacation works. You have to go back to reality. So, wala siya. I'll see you again at the airport.
Okay, so na ang van. Padung na dito. And we're going home. Nagkitabangan kong John. John from Happiness Hostel. Matinabangon ka ayo. And yeah. Bye, John! Bye-bye! Hi, Kuya! Punta natin airport. Wala nang iba.
Fall asleep, yeah. I need you with me by my side.